Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, January 17, 2024. Today's video is about America and the Sea of Serenity. Get out your red/blue glasses and check out this stereo view of another world. The scene was recorded by Apollo 17 mission commander Eugene Cernan on December 11, 1972, one orbit before descending to land on the Moon. The stereo anaglyph was assembled from two photographs, AS 17-147 22465, AS 17-147 22466, captured from his vantage point on board the Lunar Module Challenger as he and Dr. Harrison Schmitt flew over Apollo 17's landing site in the Taurus-Littrow Valley. The broad, sunlit face of the mountain dubbed South Massif rises near the center of the frame, above the dark floor of Taurus-Littrow to its left. Piloted by Ron Evans, the command module America is visible in orbit in the foreground against the South Massif's peak. Beyond the mountains, toward the lunar limb, lies the Moon's Mare Serenitatis. 4 astronauts will venture around the Moon and back again on the Artemis II mission, scheduled for launch no earlier than September 2025. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.